Palagay ko doon, pag nakita ng mga tao na gano'n na nangyayari, malinaw ang paggamit ng pera nila. Diba? Malinaw ang investigasyon. Malinaw din ang resulta ng judiciary. What more can you ask for? Yun ang importante.
So SP, hindi ho option yung pagbibitiw from President to Congressmen na sa sinasabi ni, para daw clean slate, sabi ni Senator Alan.
Cannot be an option. What do you do with those who are not guilty? What do you do with those who are newly elected and have no bad records? What do you do with them? Idadamay mo doon sa mga guilty or sa mukhang guilty kung hindi man guilty. Kung meron bang marumi, ba't natin idadamay yung mga malinis doon sa marumi? So I don't know, it's very far-fetched as far as I'm concerned. It's we will be entering something like uncertainty and chaos in the political world pagka ganon.
Nakausap na ho ba kayo ni Senator Lacson tungkol po dun sa balak niyang resignation? Tinanggap na ho ba yung resignation niya as chairman po ng Blue Ribbon Committee? Salamat po.
Hindi, nagkausap kami kagabi. Wala pa kami tinatanggap. Wala pa naman siyang pinapadalang sulat or I think he wants to do that personally. Nagkausap kami kagabi. And ayun, nagkausap kami kagabi. You know, Senator Lacson is frustrated. He's not stressed. Sanay sa stress yun eh. Yeah. Pero ang nakikita niya, frustrated because nag-hearing siya, may umaangal. Bakit nag-hearing? Pag hindi siya nag-hearing, may umaangal. Ba't hindi nag-hearing? Ano ba talaga? Diba? So, and then I think the way he ran the Blue Ribbon Committee hearings were very good. So, siguro, the man is frustrated. I will support whatever decision he makes, and I will accept whatever decision he makes, and he has my 100% support, whatever it is.
SP, yung pong decision niya po ba ay final na o pwede pa po siyang mapahinuhod ng majority at ninyo na magstay put as chairman po ng Blue Ribbon Committee?
I think that question is best asked of him. I cannot answer for him.
Pero sir, anong sense ng majority?
We can only hope for the best.
Opo, pero sir, ano po ang sentiment, sir, ng majority bloc? Sabi niyo po you're in touch with them. Ano po ang sinabi nila? Gusto ho ba nilang manatili si Senator Lacson o gusto nilang mapalitan?
Karamihan, hindi naman komentaryo iba pa, pero yung karamihan ay sinasabing nila na baka pwede pang makausap si Senator Lacson.
Para po?
To stay.
Kasama ba yung sa napag-usapan niya? Sinabi niyo po ba sa kanya to reconsider his decision?
Hindi, because I was checking on our WhatsApp group, after Senator Lacson and I talked already. It was late in the evening. Last night.
Sir, sorry. Sir, meron po kasi mga nagko-comment na kaya raw po aalis si Senator Ping is para hindi na ma-unstabilize yung pong, ma-destabilize yung pong Senate leadership na meron daw pong namumungko, parang siya na lang daw yung sacrifice dahil maraming hindi masaya daw dun sa pagpapatakbo niya ng Blue Ribbon.
Everybody's entitled to his own opinion, so whatever they say, it's up to them if that's their opinion. But as far as I'm concerned, and my opinion is, the Senate is stable, both majority and minority. I am very sure that the Senate is stable, and we will make sure, under my leadership, we will make sure that everything will be transparent, everything will be accountable.
What do you think of those rumors na merong attempt to unseat you and install a new leadership?
Hindi ko alam kung saan nanggagaling eh. Alam mo naman dito sa Senado, pagka nanggagaling sa social media yung kwento, hindi ka, madaling kumalat dahil social media, pero I don't see it coming from anywhere. In fact, no, the other day, nagkausap kami ni Senator Alan at nababanggit na rin yan eh. Sabi niya nga, siya mismo nagsabi sa akin, wala naman akong kinakausap kahit sino eh, sabi rin niya. Yeah, I believe him.
Sir, yung pong napag-usapan ninyo sa majority regarding dun sa leadership po, nag-loyalty check ba kayo or sila mismo kinausap kayo after hearing the story na sa inyo pa rin yung suporta po nila?
Oh, nagkakausap-usap naman kami. Pagka mayroong mga lumilitaw na ganyan, I get messages from some of them saying na, ano ba yan, we should listen to that, mga ganun-ganun. Yeah, no need for a loyalty check.
How confident are you, SP, that the majority still... How confident are you, SP, that the majority bloc still supports your Senate presidency?
I'm quite confident. But as usual, you know, any senator who is elected into the leadership only serve at the pleasure of your colleagues, of your peers. So we always leave it at that. But as far as I'm concerned, and as far as I know now, I'm quite confident that we are stable and the leadership of the Senate is well in place.
May interviews kay Senator JV na parang may lumabas na mga reports na may balak siyang kumala sa majority. May ganun hubang na sabi po sa inyo?
Paulit-ulit si JB, sinasabi niya na nung araw pa yan, rehash daw yan eh. And he was interviewed and quoted that, I think about more than 2 weeks ago, when the issue of the interview of Senator Lacson mentioned about certain insertions of some senators, or almost all like that. Parang ganun yung ganabi. That was the reaction of Senator JV the following day. But after that, when I explained what insertions and amendments are and how it is really placed in the budget, at yun yung mga nabanggit na yun, ay karamihan naman yung amendments, it all settled down eh. So, the issue that is being placed in social media and some mainstream media reports about Senator JB, I am very sure that he will deny it now. You know, he did say that before, but in fact, I was on the phone with him yesterday, telling him about plano ni Senator Lacson, and he was quite worried. Sabi niya, mahirap papag-usapan natin, parang gano'n. And then he also, he told me na baka iniisip ni Senator Lacson yung mga nilalabas sa media tungkol sa sinabi ko, baka that influences him. Sabi ni Senator JB, that's an old rehash, sabi niya. Wala akong sinasabing gano'n. And I think he talked to, Senator JB called Ping to tell him that.
As far as you know, SP, walang kahit sinong miyembro ng mayorya ang kakalas at this time po?
Yes.
Kung sakaling matuloy po yung resignation ni Senator Ping, sino po yung posibleng pumalit? Tsaka itutuloy pa po ba yung mga hearing ng Blue Ribbon kahit mag-resign na si Senator Ping?
The Blue Ribbon is always alive as far as the Senate is concerned. Kaya siya lang ang pwedeng mag-motu proprio hearing without a resolution, without a privilege speech, without any bill referred to it. Motu proprio by the chairman. Kaya laging buhay ang Blue Ribbon. Hindi mawawala yan. Hindi nawawala yan. Maaaring napopostpone kumisan, nasususpend, but it is always ongoing. Now, if indeed Senator Lacson resigns, his candidate would be a very good, it would be something to consider. But we will leave it up to the members of the majority. We'll talk about it first. We'll cross the bridge when we get there.
Pero sir, yung flood control investigation, ipagpapatuloy pa rin po ba?
Siyempre, kung ano yung mga dapat maipadala na namin. Meron kami mga nakuha na marami ng informasyon na nakuha Ang importante dito, ipadala ito sa ICI and the DOJ so that they continue with it can aid them in their the performance of their mandates. Malaking tulong yun, palagay ko, sa kanila.
SP, kayo po ba personally, meron po kayo... Sir, nasa harap na ako. SP, kayo po personally, meron kayong pick for the Blue Ribbon Chair? For the new... Meron po kayong gustong choice ninyo for Blue Ribbon Chairman?
Other than Senator Lacson? There are about 3 or 4 members of the Senate who I think would be able to handle it also, but mahirap sundan din yung footsteps ni Senator Lacson.
Sir, itong mga lang po, parang change of leadership again, tingin nyo outside forces po, meron nang iintriga lang sa Senado?
Posible. Malamang may mga nag-iintriga lang sa Senado. Sige, sapagkat pagkausap ko naman yung leadership ng minority, wala naman kaming hindi pinagkakaunawaan I'm sure. Yeah.
Meron na kayo iniisip na kung anong grupo?
I don't know. Pwede manggaling sa kaliwat kanan niya, whatever. Hindi na. We should not allow these talks to hamper the work of the Senate. And that's the reason that last week we decided to suspend the sessions habang wala yung mga agenda na mayroong mga bills pending. Nakita nyo yung mga pending na treaty, pinasa lang muna namin. Then we suspended to allow the budget deliberations and the budget hearings, I should say, to allow the budget hearings to continue without stoppage. Kasi nangyayari, every 3 p.m., because of the session, they have to stop the budget hearings. And the other hearings of the different the committees, because the only way we can get the agenda into the plenary is when the committees are done and are ready to report out the bills. One thing that I'm sure not a lot of people are aware of, or there are few who are not aware of the fact that the Senate works on committees, through committees. The Senate works through committees. We don't work in plenary. We work through committees. Kaya ang mga bills at ang agenda ay nanggagaling sa committee work. And in this case, because of the single most important piece of legislation to be passed, the budget, the GAA for 2026, we should be very clean, other than what happened in the 2025 budget. I think it needs our full attention, and that is the reason that in this suspension of the final week of the sessions and into the break is only as far as both houses are concerned. But as far as the Senate is concerned, it is a working break because of the budget hearings and the committee hearings.